Hello, welcome to acclux accounting training. I'm Kate and today we will talk about projects and tasks in acclux accounting. How to create your first project in acclux accounting. How you can add tasks and assign them to your team. How to manage tasks in project tasks view. How to add expenses to your project. How to add logs to a task by different team member. Let's start by creating our first project. In Projects section, click on New Project. Here we will add the project information, like project name, customer name, description, status. By default, each project status is not started. You can select other status like in progress or inactive, but let's keep it not started for now. We will add the due date and estimate project cost. Estimate project fees, the summation of project's tasks estimate cost. Actual cost is the total expenses you assign to the project. The actual fees is the actual cost of the project tasks. If you already have task to add, click on Save and Add Task. Or click only Save if you want to work later on this project. I know my tasks, so I will click on Save and Add Task. This is the project dashboard or tasks view. Here you can manage and track your project progress. Here are some information about the project like customer name, due date, total hours spent and estimated and total project's tasks. Let's add new task. I will add the task name, requirements gathering, then I will add the task description. Assign the task to another team member, add the due date task, estimate time and cost. The time spent is the summation of the task's logs. We will see how to add log to a task later in this tutorial. Click Save or Save and New to add another task. Let's talk more about the tasks view or project dashboard. As we learned before, here you find projects information. This section here is about the project tasks. You can filter tasks depending on task status. If you want to arrange tasks under sections, click on New Section. Write down the section name. To add tasks to the section, click on Task Row, drag and drop it under the section. If the task is completed, just click on the checkbox here to change its status to completed. Let's talk about how to add expenses to a project. To do so, we need to go to Financial section, then Expenses list. Click on Record Expense. Write down the amount, date and paid to. Select the financial account you would like to issue money from. The expense category. Then select the project we want to assign expenses to. Add expense description, then click Save. How to add logs to a task by different team member. Task log is simply recording the time you spend doing a task. Log into acclux accounting with a user has operator level. As you see, only tasks icon is displayed, because the operator user only has access to the task section, and can view only tasks assigned to him. To add log to a task, select a task, then click on Logs. The logs list will be shown. Click on Add Log. Write down the time spent, date and description. Then click Save. Go back to your project. You will see both expense and tasks cost in the project details. There are several reports related to the projects and tasks, like projects by status, which will display the listing of your project summary. You can filter it by due date and status. You can print the report or export it to another format like Excel or PDF. Also, there is the project details report, which will display the details of a project. Select the project name from the drop-down menu to view the project details. There's also the Tasks by Status report, which will view all your tasks grouped by project. You can filter the list by due date, project, user and status. Thanks for joining me today. See you soon.